let's create an Excel table that includes names and email addresses. I want to use this list to create an email distribution list and send the same email to all individuals on the list. The mail list sheet includes names in column A and emails in column B. The message sheet includes the email I want to distribute in cell B1. To ensure ChatGPT provides the most accurate result, it's important to include this information when prompting it. Here's an example prompt for ChatGPT. I have a list of people in the column A of an Excel sheet named Mail List, and their emails are enlisted in column B. Names are starting at A2 and emails are starting at B2. I also have another sheet called Message, and my email is written in the B2 of this sheet. I would like to have an automated solution to send this email to all enlisted people. After generating the Visual Basic code, I can copy and paste it into the VB editor of Excel. However, I noticed that the email body is generic, rather than copying the email from the B1 cell of the message sheet. I attempted to use the code, but, as you noted, the email sent was the generic Your Email Body message. I wrote a new prompt to address the issue of the previously generated code not taking the email body from the message sheet, column B1. I also copied and pasted the previously generated code after that prompt, which wasn't necessary, but I did it as a reminder. After the new prompt, ChatGPT generated another code, which I copied and pasted. It worked perfectly, and you can do the same easily. Moreover, you can ask ChatGPT to modify the code to personalize the email by addressing each person by name. This will make the email feel more sincere and comfortable to read. Why don't you give it a try immediately?